In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out in Figma. Logging out is quick, but it's useful to know exactly where to find the option so you can switch accounts, protect your work on a shared computer, or simply end your session cleanly. Before you start, make sure any changes in your files have synced. Figma saves automatically to the cloud, but if you see a syncing indicator, give it a moment to finish so nothing is left pending. First, go to Figma. Open the Figma website in your browser or launch the Figma desktop app so you're at the main Figma interface. You'll know you're in the right place if you can see your recent files, projects, or team spaces. If you're currently inside a specific file, that's fine. You can still log out. But it's easiest to start from the Home or File Browser view where the account controls are clearly visible. Next, click your profile in the upper left. Look for your avatar or your initials in a small circular icon at the top left corner of the Figma window. This is your account menu. If you don't immediately see it, return to the Figma home screen by closing the file you're in or navigating back to the main files view. Once you click your profile, a drop-down menu will appear with account-related options, including settings and help resources. From that menu, click Log Out. Selecting Log Out will end your current session. In a browser, you'll typically be returned to the Figma sign-in page. If you had multiple Figma tabs open, they may prompt you to sign in again the next time you interact with them. In the desktop app, you'll be taken back to the sign-in screen, and your files will remain safe in the cloud. If you use single sign-on or another identity provider, you may be asked to confirm the sign-out the next time you log back in. That's all there is to it. Go to Figma, open your profile menu in the upper left, and choose Log Out. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. If you share your computer, always log out when you're done to keep your projects private. If you switch between personal and work accounts, logging out and back in ensures you're accessing the right files and permissions. And if you ever don't see the log out option, double-check that you're in the main Figma window rather than a separate plugin or modal. Thanks for watching. Follow these steps anytime you need a clean, secure sign-off from Figma.